Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in the last video we have learned how just we can design the application like WhatsApp, but the one problem was there in this video. We have used the deprecated API that was come in build with the default layout. So now I'm going to change this particular fragment with the latest one. So how we can change? So first of all I have to convert this into the fragment stage adapter like this, and I have to press enter class to import the class. Now I have to change this fragment to life cycle like this, and I have to pass here the life cycle also. This error has been gone. Now I have to remove these also, no need of this. I have to remove this one also, no need of this one. So now I will implement the method, those are available in this. To implement the methods, just select all, and you see like the get count we have. So we have the get item count, so here I will return the 3 same way, and here I have to use my coding. What coding? This one, copy this one and paste here, and by default return this one like this way. So we have done this, so no need of this, just we remove this one like this. We have removed this, so we have updated with the latest API class fragment state adapter. Now we have to go to the layout here. So in this layout, what we have to do, we are going to change this with pager 2 like this way. Then we have to go to the main activity, and here you will have the error. So for removing errors, first of all we have to pass fragment, and then I have to pass life cycle this one like this. Now in place of this I have to change into view pager 2 like this. Now I have to import this class also. Now this part has been done. Now we have to replace this part. For that I have to use the tab layout mediator, and here I have to pass first of all the tab layout, this one, this tab, and then view pager. Then we have to use when close, and here first of all I have to use the tab and position like this way. Now I have to use here when close position, and I have to fix here if 0 is there, then title should be tab.text, and I will pass the chats. If one is there, then tab text should be status. If 2 is there, then tab.txt equal to calls, like this way. So we have 3 tab, we have converted the text also, we have linked this also, and we have changed the fragment page adapter to fragment state adapter, and we have used the pager 2 also, view pager 2. If and you see, without running this application is running with the oldest way, but if I run this again, it will run same but with the latest API, and we have removed the deprecated API. Tab is not coming. What is the problem? Only one tab is coming. So what we have to check? I've written 3, written this one also by default, and return this also, page view, and adapter is also given, and this tab is also given, position is also given. Okay, we have to attach this also, attach one, because by this way we will link this. Run again, then it will attach with the layout. You see, if I click here, so everything is similar as we did in the previous video, but here we have used the latest API and we have removed the deprecation API, because in some time Google will remove all those previous classes. We have to go for the new one. So here we have used the latest view pager 2 and the fragment state adapter to make use of tab layout. Thank you for watching my video.